Hello guys, this is Capital MG Magic Land. Today is December 30. Yan, bukas sasalubungin natin ang year 2026. So ano pa ang hinihintay natin? Let's do it one more time. Let's do this. Let's go! Binabati ko ang Inner Magic Club, my mother club ng magician dito sa Pilipinas. At binabati ko rin ang presidente ng Inner Magic Club na si President Ted Bravo. At saka si Chairman James Cuevas na aking kapatid. Ayan. Happy holidays sa lahat ng mga members, IMC family. Yan. Kita-kita tayo sa year 2026. Happy New Year guys! Let's go! It's pam pam pam, action action. Hey guys, meron tayong bagong kaibigan dito, si Isabel saka si Yanyan. Ito si Isabel at si Yanyan. Ate dapat hindi pwede lamang O sige. Hey!
Prank.
Ikaw, marunong ba ito mag-prank? Sabi mo, it's a prank. Mr. Wolverine. Mr. Wolverine, where is Deadpool?
It's dead.
Why?
I don't know.
Do you bring your soda pop? Where's your soda pop?
No, it's not around.
Hello, Dr. Strange. Good evening.
Hello, good evening to everyone.
So, what is your mission for tonight?
Mission for tonight is to give flowers to
Yeah,
chicken
to.
wings.
Where's your flower? Can you show the flower?
Here's the flower.
Ayun, meron tayong Darna, Vilma Santos. Si Ate B. Say hi. Say hi to Dr. Strange. Yeah, Dr. Strange, your new friend. Thank you. And this is Darna. Say hi, Darna.
Hello.
This is Darna. And this is the best friend. The best and the only one best friend of Deadpool. Yeah, and the best friend of Soda Pop. Dandarada Soda Pop. Merry Christmas guys. Ito na yung mga lineup cosplay ko for tonight, December 30.
Mayo kayo, naglay ang kapayapaan ni Kristo.
Salamat sa Diyos.
Ay po, salamat sa biyaya. Let's go! Doon maganda dapat Jesus. Salamat.
Alright everyone, here at Imus Plaza, it's a wrap.
It's a wrap. Bye-bye guys.